Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to turn off read receipts on Instagram. Now this is the simplest tutorial currently. So what you will do is you will go to the three stripes icon here, and then what you will go is settings, and then from settings what you can do is you can click on notifications. From notifications go to messages and calls, and here you will be able to go and click turn off on message requests, and on group requests click turn off as well. Now what this will do is this will turn off the read receipts on Instagram so that you can normally function with messages on Instagram. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's how to turn off read receipts on Instagram. Now if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to help you out. But yeah, this is how to do it, and yeah, we'll see you in the next up and coming video. Thank you guys for watching.